An irrevocable trust is different than a revocable trust. A person uses a revocable trust for typical estate planning purposes and to avoid probate. Before a person's death, he or she can change the trust provisions or even revoke the trust at any time. This is a very flexible way to set up an estate plan. On the other hand, an irrevocable trust is much different. An irrevocable trust is permanent. You cannot change an irrevocable trust once you set it up. Irrevocable trusts have several typical provisions. First, the person who sets up the trust no longer has control of the assets that he or she puts into the trust. The person has no legal ability to get his property or money back. Sometimes, under these trusts, people can receive income from the trust, but never principal. In Medicaid planning, people use these trusts to protect their assets from Medicaid. They use these trusts instead of giving assets directly to their children, and that way they protect those assets from any creditors the children might have. However, they must do this more than 5 years before they will need Medicaid benefits. Any transfer to these trusts creates a penalty period during which Medicaid will not pay for nursing home care. You must consider things carefully when you think about setting up an irrevocable trust, as they are permanent arrangements. Additionally, you lose complete control of your assets and need to rely on others to manage the assets that you will never be able to touch again.